Okay, good morning everybody. I'm here on the Weber. It's pretty early. It's like just barely getting to be 6. It's kind of really the best time I've got to fish. No, I'll just do it before work. Anyways, I promised myself this year that I was going to figure out how to fish streamers, and everybody seems to do it so easily, and I have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm giving it a whirl, and we'll see how it goes. Got some moss. Always nice. There's a lot of it in here. Clean that off. Look at it. Everything I've read, you pretty much just cast in swings, right? I mean, I read you can strip the line a bit. It's going through. But I would imagine the whole point of swinging streamers is to do exactly that. Let them swing. So if I'm wrong, please tell me, because I'm learning. I'm not afraid to be ignorant. There's plenty of wind here too. I don't know if you saw it carry how far down it went, but moss game is strong with this one. This wind is no joke. And neither is that tree.